Hi guys, this is Taka from SPC Cairns. Today we have a wonderful student activity in our school. It's a yoga activity and I have Joshua here, the yoga instructor.
My name is Joshua Preci. How you doing?
Hey Joshua,
Yes.
You've been doing this yoga activity for SPC Cairns students for a few times now.
Yes.
I just want to know, what is yoga to you?
Yoga to me is simply very mindful, very quiet in your mind, and it is really, really amazing if you put your mind and your soul into it. It's beautiful. It's like a food for your soul.
Students been attending your yoga session a few times now, and they all tell me how great it is. What do you think that this yoga is doing to our international students?
So what yoga pretty much is quieten their mind and focus them in the study. It's good for their soul too, and it's good for the study too. What yoga has done for me, and I'd like to pass it to them, it's got rid of my anxiety, my depression and my stress. It's pretty much simple. It's really beautiful.
Well, the last question.
Yes, please.
You've been around with SPC Cairns for about a year now.
Yes, I have.
How do you find our students and us?
I think students here are amazing. They are beautiful souls, and I've really been blessed. Thank you, Taka, for this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
That's all right.
Here's Cuckoo, and you know, we have ducks and we have a goat. And again, this is all for international students to be comfortable, less stress, not to miss home too much. So I think your yoga activity is doing great.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Been a pleasure. Thank you, Taka.
Thank you, Joshua, and thank you, everybody. Bye.
Thank you.